Google ad mistakes that waste your money. Basically, when you're running Google ads and you are not making any money, you are not making any sales, people are just clicking, visiting your page and running away, and you don't get those people to come back, you are basically losing money, wasting money on Google ads. Now, these are the mistakes that you're making right now that you need to change, and I want you to listen. This is very important. So, number one on my list, when you send people to your homepage. Some people will say, okay, they have been sending people to their homepage, is okay, and they have been getting conversion. What we recommend is sending people to your landing page. So your landing page have all the keywords and the description that your people want to see. So when they see those, they are motivated to take the action that you want them to take. Stop sending people to your homepage. Send them to a specific designed landing page that is going to boost their interest, get them to convert. Even if they don't, they will take the first step, which is either registering, signing up, or giving you that email that you want so that you can remarket to them. That is number one on my list. Number two is using broad keyword match with Google Ads. You can do that if you have a massive budget to collect some data and then kind of use that data to optimize your ads. Once you do that, you'll be able to trim that and use either the phrase match or the exact match so that you'll be targeting people who are truly your customers. Not everybody on the web, not everybody that is either interested in something similar or something that is closely related to what you are offering with your Google Ads. Make sure you use either the phrase match or the exact match depending on the level of the campaign and your budget. This will help target your ads to your specific customers, people who have intentions, who truly want to buy from you. So make sure the type of keywords you're using on your Google Ads matter, okay? Do not just use broad keyword match and leave. It's not going to do you good. Number three, not tracking your conversions. This is crazy. This is what many people don't know how important it is. So when you are running Google Ads, and I mentioned this in one of my videos, make sure you set your conversions. Use an expert if you can do it yourself. They will go into your tag manager and Google Analytics and your website or your landing page to set up those conversion tags and help Google help you. You help Google to collect the right data. Google will use that data to make sure they are targeting the right people and they are matching your ads with the right people. So make sure you do that so you can increase your conversions and understand what your audience want and what they are really out for. All right, use conversion tags. Number four, not optimizing your campaigns once you let your campaign start running. Okay, make sure you optimize your campaigns. Optimizing your campaigns will help you remove redundant keywords that are either not just bringing you any traffic or bringing traffic but not converting, all right, or they are just too expensive. You'll be able to remove the redundant keywords. You'll be able to adjust your ads, play with the budget, do so many other things that Google may suggest sometimes, changing your description, your titles, just to make sure your ads are doing well. Even images of other creatives that you may use with your Google Ads, you will be able to optimize that to make sure your Google ad rank is relevant and on point, and you can keep making money while you run Google Ads. Number five, I want to emphasize on remarketing. So many people don't remarket. Remarketing or retargeting is when people visit your website or your landing page for the first time, they take some action, they don't complete it, and you don't go after them.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
This is when you use either display campaigns to make sure you go after those people or you retarget them so that they can come back and take the appropriate action. Majority of people who will hit your page on first day or they see your ads and click and visit your landing page, they won't take the action. What you need to do is to create retargeting campaigns to make sure you target them to get them to come back and complete the actions you need them to complete on your website. This will make a lot of sense and will help you increase your conversion rate. So those things are the mistakes majority of people we see do. They do not take some of these things into consideration and they run ads aimlessly, spend a lot of money, get absolutely nothing out of those ads, and then complain that Google Ads are not effective. Google Ads can only be effective if you help Google help you. So make sure you do the right thing and avoid the wrong things so that at the end of the day, you will make money running Google Ads and scale your business running Google Ads. All right. So again, let me just remind remind you, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you won't miss other videos I'm going to drop, and we help you scale your business online, or basically just help you sell digital product if you are an influencer or you want to, kind of increase your sources of income and help you do well online, making sure you're making money online every day. So thank you again for being here. This is Eugene, and I will see you in my next video.